cryptocurrency trading robot, a robot that does all the trading for you while you're offline. And you can set up a trading robot in less than 5 minutes. So let me show you the robots that we've got and the best recommendation for you. I'm actually going to recommend our binary options trading robot package, because it gives you all the robots that you need for trading. Okay, and let me show you all the robots that you're going to get. So with this package, you get a crypto to fiat trading robot, so that you can trade practically all the fiat currencies with practically all the cryptocurrencies. We've also got the semi-automatic trading robot. Some people like to do a bit of the trading themselves and let the robot do some stuff as well. And we've got the crypto to crypto trading robots. And of course, we've got our binary options trading robot, and we've got lots of step-by-step video training courses, and you can trade up to a maximum of $10,000. So let me show you on the inside, because I want to show you exactly what you get with your package. So the package that I'm talking about is this one here. So let me show you the actual robots. I'm going to come up to the top here and go down to the dashboard. So basically here you've got the fiat to crypto trading robot, and you would just click on here to create a new robot. You've got the semi-automatic trading robots, and again you click on here to create a new robot. You've got the crypto to crypto, and of course you've got the binary options robot on the end there. Also, what you get with this package is our new arbitrage trading robot, and to access that you'd come up to the top of the screen here where your name is, go down to access Johnnie Blockchain. So let me take you over to Johnnie Blockchain. So here we are in Johnnie Blockchain. We've got fiat one way, which means that you're going to trade a fiat currency with a cryptocurrency. We've got currently, at the time of making this video, we've got 473 cryptocurrency one-way routes. So that means that you would trade two cryptocurrencies. We've got 923 crypto circular routes. Now that basically means that you're going to trade two cryptocurrencies against each other, and you'll be able to make a profit and recycle those. We've got videos that show you all about this, but the thing that I love the most here is the same exchange arbitrage. So you can trade on the same exchange, and we've got all the routes that you need for that is there, and there's 5,200 of those. We also, if I come down here to the filter options and click on the auto trading only, and then I click the filter again, you'll see we've got 64 trades that you can do in the circular route, where the robot will do most of the trading for you. So just to summarize, with the binary option package, the one I showed you earlier, is you're going to get the binary options robot. Obviously you're going to get the crypto to crypto trading robot, you're going to get the fiat to crypto trading robot, you're going to get the new arbitrage trading robot. So it's a great package to get. If you're interested in trading, then you don't need any other tools really than this one, and you don't need to be an expert to do it. It's very simple to set up. You're going to need to join some exchanges, and we've got in the getting started pages, we've got all the information about the exchanges you need to join if you're going to be using the arbitrage trading robot. And if I come back over to Zookle, we've got all the details of everything you need to do to set up your robots, and lots more other trading. So if you're starting trading for the very first time. So as you can see here, we've got everything you need to get started. We've got a video here, how to create your first robot, get your trading as soon as possible. A lot of the stuff is very easy to follow. You might not need to watch the videos, but we've got all the videos there for those people that need to be held by the hand. So if you're interested in trading and you don't know where to start, or you're an experienced trader and you want to put stuff on autopilot, then make sure you check out the link either above or below this video. That will take you over to this page. Click here to get started, create yourself an account, and happy trading, and I'll see you on the inside. You have an amazing day now. Bye.